Welcome back, guys, and as you can see, I do have 10,000 pucks. So, you know what that means. Another pack opening. I did win the division title, so I did get pucks from that. I'll go with the Johnny T, why not? And I'm hoping to get one of the Player of the Weeks or whatever, or the new Kovalchuk is out, which is pretty amazing. I see him, he's sold for a lot, so I'm not looking, but glad he put him in there because he's a really good player, and I would like to get him, but as you can see, I do not get him. Wonder if that's a good +5 all over there, but I'm not even sure. Barkowski, he's from the Bruins, my favorite team. Let's hope so. Nope. Right wing to left wing, that actually goes for a pretty good amount, so I'm alright with that. Alright, guys, thank you for watching, and this was not a bad pack. I probably made about 4K, which isn't the worst loss in the world, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.